Good afternoon, everyone. It's Dave from Sell House Columbus, and we are here at the closing table. When I first met Sharon, who's selling us 2 properties today, right?
Mm-hmm.
Two,
Yes.
and then more to come. I was playing guitar, right? You remember that?
Yes.
Our very first conversation. And I thought I'd bring the guitar today to reminisce our first conversation. So, Sharon, maybe you can share, how has your experience been like in selling these particular properties?
It's been fantastic. I appreciate him going out on a limb to help me out here.
Yeah.
No qualms, no hassles. Just
No, we
we
don't
just
want
did
any
it,
of that.
got done with it.
So how did you first find out about myself and Sell House Columbus and our team?
Had a letter at I have a post office box, and there was a letter there that wanting to buy properties.
Right.
And the one was Huntington Street or Avenue, and
Yeah.
I looked your company up, and I saw you had one, I think, 6 doors down
That's
from me.
right. That's right. We
And
sure
I thought,
do.
well, they probably would like to have Huntington, so.
I'm glad you did your
I
due
called.
diligence. I'm glad you did your research, and I encourage you to do that as well. If you have a property you're looking to sell, don't just work with any old Joe off the street. You want to work with professionals and get this done. So, you called us and we worked with you, and we're at the closing table today. And did we do what we promised we said we would do and
Yes,
get
you
this thing
did.
done? And did we make it pretty easy for you?
Yes, definitely.
We didn't bother any tenants. We didn't bother anybody, and right, that was the thing with her. You actually had properties. There were people living there,
Right.
and a lot of people worry about that, or
Yes.
you're going to worry about.
And I'd hate to see them be displaced.
I agree.
Because
We don't want to disrupt
I had
anybody.
to do what I had to do.
That's
to sell
right.
'em, and
That's right. So if you have a property you're looking to sell fast, even if there's people living there, give us a call. We're at 614-300-5151. You can visit us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. And what would you say to somebody else who might consider
You'll have a
selling?
pleasant experience.
You'll have a pleasant experience, and you might even
You might even get serenaded.
serenaded. We'll see you on the next video, everybody. Thank you, Sharon.
Thank you,
It's
Dave.
been great working with you.
Great work with you.
Bye, everyone.